FFIE stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric stock, the meme stock. It's like 3.5% up. So where are we heading next? Hopefully I've done so many previous receipts on FFIE. Yes, I've had previous receipts in the Discord, but my bias, it's still going to be the same, but my drawings are diluted because there was a split or whatever. FFIE, like I guess it was. But with this thing here specifically, I don't doubt that the lows are going to continue to get cleared. So in this case, only if the price breaks with a full candle close above like 140 or something am I actually going to look to take things up. Other than that, this is all just pure noise. And me randomly buying is just not going to be the way, not going to be the case, at least for me. So let me know what is your opinion on FFIE, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. That's where I'll continue to keep you updated about this ticker, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.